Let us start with the exercise 2.1. First question is solve 2 minus 3 upon 5. Please note here the denominators are not same. To make the denominators same, multiply and divide first number by 5. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 upon, when no denominator is there, it means 1 is there. 1 multiplied by 5 minus 3 upon 5. This is equal to 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Now denominators are same, so we can do the subtraction. This is equal to 10 minus 3. Please note denominator we don't subtract, so answer is 7 upon 5. Next question is 4 plus 7 upon 8. Here also 4 is having no denominator, means 1 exists. So we have to multiply this side fraction by 8. You will get this is equal to 4 multiplied by 8 upon 1 multiplied by 8 plus 7 upon 8 as it is. Now this is equal to 4 8s are 32 upon 8 plus 7 upon 8. Please note denominators are same, so we can do the addition and subtraction of the numerator. This is equal to 32 plus 7 upon 8, that is equal to 39 upon 8. Third question is 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Please note the denominators here are co-prime numbers. It means they don't have any common factors. Therefore, we have to multiply this side fraction by this side denominator and the other side fraction by this side denominator. So this is equal to 3 multiplied by 7 upon 5 multiplied by 7 plus 2 multiplied by 5 upon 7 multiplied by 5. This is equal to 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. Please note denominators are same, so we can do the addition and subtraction of numerator. This is equal to 21 plus 10 upon 35, that is equal to 31 upon 35. Next question is 9 upon 11 minus 4 upon 15. Here also the denominators are co-prime numbers, so we have to multiply this side fraction by the other side fraction. It means 9 multiplied by 15 upon 11 multiplied by 15 is minus 4 multiplied by 11 upon 15 multiplied by 11. So this is equal to 15 9s are 135. This is 4 11s are 44 upon 15 1s are 15. 1 carries. 15 1s are 15 plus 1 carry 165. This is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1. 13 minus 4 is 9. 19 upon 165. Next question is 7 upon 10 plus 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 2. Please note this is 10, 5, 2. So LCM can be 10. If you take 10, this can be converted into 10. This also can be converted into 10. So we will take the LCM as 10. So it means this is equal to 7 upon 10 plus 2 into 2 upon 5 into 2 plus 3 into 5 upon 2 into 5. This is equal to 7 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10 plus 15 upon 10. That is equal to, denominators are same, so we can take it common. We will have 7 plus 4 plus 15. That is equal to 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 upon 10. That is equal to 26 upon 10, means 13 upon 5. Next question is 2 integer 2 upon 3 plus 3 integer 1 upon 2. We have to convert this into improper fractions. So this will be 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8 upon 3 plus 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2. Now again the denominators are different. So we have to multiply. Make the denominators common. It will be 8 into 2 plus 7 into 3 upon 3 into 2. According to BORDMAS we have to solve. So this will be 16 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 6, that is equal to 37 upon 6. Next question is 8 integer 1 upon 2 minus 3 integer 5 upon 8. So we have to convert these first into improper fractions. This is equal to 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17 upon 2 minus 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5 is 29 upon 8. Now to make the denominator same, we can multiply this side fraction by 4. So we will get 17 into 4 upon 2 into 4. There is no need to multiply the other fraction. So this is equal to 68, 17 4 the 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. So answer is 18 minus 9, 9. 1 carries 39 upon 8.